All right, so in this section, we are going to build a JetTrivia app. So this application will look something like this. So it's very simple, but most importantly, we're going to be learning a few things. So we're going to start learning about clean architecture, at least the introduction, what it means and how to structure our app in such a manner. We're also going to learn how to parse JSON using Retrofit, which is a library that abstracts out all the heartaches, all of the things that one needs to do in order to parse JSON APIs from the web. Okay, and of course, we are going to continue learning about UI design in Compose. So as always, we are going to introduce new things as we build an app. So this is what we are going to be building, a trivia application. Let me give you a quick demo of the app. So here's the quick demo of the app here. So as we go through the app, as we answer the questions, we are immediately pulled into the next question. So at the top here, we have question 2 out of 4,875 questions. So that's a lot of questions. So you can see the layout here. We have the actual question or the actual statement that we could be true or false, and we have the options at the bottom here. Okay, all of this is coming in from a JSON file. Okay, so in this case, if I say next, if I select what I selected, then that works. And let's say true. Well, that's great. And you can see also at certain point I start having this meter that is showing there. It's very small, so as I get the answers correct, looks like I'm really good at this, you can see that that meter is changing. Okay, this is because I've worked on this, so I know this is wrong. You can see it has this red color to say this is wrong. Okay, if I can IY perhaps, there we go. And we can continue, and as our meter shows here, at certain point we're going to start seeing the actual score of the game. This is what we're going to be building